Gigi.
Okay, we're going to show Gigi how we use the apple.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Show me how.
Apple.
Apple? Okay.
You have to put it down.
He showed me the picture on the back. What are you going to watch? Hmm? What is that?
We're here in Eastern Africa on the Savannah Drought.
Oh, that's
Hey,
neat.
it's the Crab Brothers. I'm Chris. I'm Martin. This place is teeming with hundreds of different kinds of creatures, like lions, warthogs, leopards. And while it might seem like there's a lot of space out here, the animals around us are working hard to carve out their own territories, their own home turf. And if territorial creatures have to fight, the battles can get pretty intense. Like
Who is that,
who
Leslie?
use the big horns to battle over territory.
What are
But
those?
without a doubt, the rivers, lakes, and waterways of Africa are home to one of
Hi. Me. Hi.
Oh. You gonna watch something different?
Show her your games. Show her how you feed Mommy and Daddy.
This.
Are you gonna show me your game?
Hi. Me. Hi. Me.
Okay.
Glass.
What?
Caillou wasn't quite as excited as Sarah. He was afraid a homemade kite wouldn't turn out
Doesn't
good.
he just remind you of Matt with that?
Matt wasn't this little.
Well, times have changed.
Yeah,
So for a 2-year-old knowing how to work that is pretty
right.
good.
Right, it's very cool.
It's probably equivalent to where Matt would be at.
Yeah, I think so. Or you, for that matter. I mean,